You don't need a team, funding, or a computer science degree to build a micro-SaaS. You need one small, annoying problem and the willingness to solve it badly at first. Let me show you how a solo builder actually does this. Step 1. And this is the concrete part. Write down 3 tasks you did this week that felt repetitive. Maybe you kept reformatting spreadsheets, resizing images, or rewriting the same emails. Pick the one you'd happily pay $5 a month to never do again. That's your product. Step 2. Describe it in one sentence. It takes X and gives back Y. If you can't say it in one sentence, it's too big, cut it down. Step 3. Build the ugliest possible version. Use an AI coding assistant to scaffold a simple web app. One input box, one button, one output. Ask it to generate the code, paste it, run it, and fix errors by pasting them back into the AI. You are not writing perfect software. You're proving the thing works. Step 4. Put it online with a free hosting tier and add a payment link. That's it. That's a micro-SaaS. Now the honest part. Most first products make little or nothing, and that's normal. You're not buying a lottery ticket. You're learning a skill that compounds. Your second build is faster. Your fifth is genuinely useful. Some solo builders eventually earn real side income this way, but only after shipping repeatedly and listening to actual users. So today, don't launch a company. Just finish that one-sentence description and build the ugly version. Ship something small this week. Then come back and do it again.